everybody, welcome to our Northeast Portland kitchen remodel. Come on in. I'm Lorna with Lamont Brothers, and today we're here in a house that's over 100 years old in Northeast Portland. Now, Portland is known for its pretty historic homes, but by no means is that a hindrance to you being able to remodel it. Things you're gonna have to consider would be things like codes, permits, structural irregularities, but it's not a hindrance if it's done well. So we're currently standing in the sunroom. It's aptly named as a lot of that rare Portland sun is shining through the windows. Here we did take out some cabinets just to create an open space and have it just be seamless into the rest of the home. But over here, if we follow and open up this door, we get the bathroom. It's always nice to have a bathroom in your downstairs area. You can't see it, but there is a toilet hiding around the corner here. This bathroom was original to the space and the home, but it didn't have a sink, which made for an awkward walk after the bathroom to go use the sink in the kitchen. So with this remodel, we were able to install a sink and make the quality of life a little bit better. So now we'll head to the kitchen, which is through this door on the other side of the sunroom. And as you enter, you get to see the new flow of this kitchen. So previously, before we did the remodel, the flow of the kitchen was just a little awkward, a little clunky. And when you're remodeling a kitchen, something to consider is the kitchen work triangle. It's a very classic concept, and it's the points of which you use the most in your kitchen. Now, previously the sink was on this side of the kitchen. We were able to move it over here next to the cooktop to create an easier walk space between the fridge, the sink, and the cooktop. All right, so because this home was an older home, the dishwasher was not a part of the original kitchen, and it used to live in a little space over here plugged into the wall. And because of that, with the sink being over here, any single time our clients had to do the dishes, they would have to unplug the dishwasher, move it over to the sink, and let it drain, which is not ideal. So because we moved the sink over here, our clients now have a dishwasher that they do not have to drain each time and can run at any point of the day. Where the dishwasher used to be is now a handy dandy coffee station. Every Portlander's dream is to have a place to have their coffee ready to go every single day. So now this exists and is easy storage for other things as well with the built-in cabinets. This is one of the ways that you can make a small kitchen really impactful, because you have a space to put everything, vertical storage, taking use of the high ceilings if you have them, being able to store things can really just make a difference in the day-to-day use of your kitchen. Design-wise, we were able to add a little bit of a modern touch with a waterfall edge. Waterfall edges are always beautiful and do kind of help bring the kitchen up to date just a little bit. And if you look at the color tones of this kitchen, everything is very harmonious. So you look and you see the kitchen cabinet colors are very suitable with the new marmoleum flooring. They also are reflected in the backsplash of the tile. This tile is cement tile, which does mean you have to use more sealant when putting it in comparison to other tiles, but it creates such a beautiful difference in just what the kitchen was before. The pattern brings a little bit of life and a little bit of personality and just creates an atmosphere that's really, really fun to be in. In this corner, you'll see the open shelving. Open shelving is a great way to not only add storage, but to also be able to display things that you own. Our client has beautiful plates and cups and things like that, and you just get to make your personality shine a little bit in your kitchen while also being able to store things, which is also great for a small kitchen because you have limited space. So something like this is a great way to add a little bit of flair, but also some functionality. The countertops, also a fun little detail. It's a subtle detail, have rounded corners, and that rounded corner also translates into the sink as well. So everything again is cohesive. And then we get to the range. So prior to this remodel, this range was standing against the wall here. Now, not only do you have your oven and your stove, we've installed some cabinets to the other side, which is another great way to add some functionality into the space. Easy storage that goes all the way back, so you can really maximize what you're putting in there, and allows for things to be rested on the countertop over here, so it's not just wasted space with a cooktop shoved against the wall. Cabinets are a part of most major kitchen remodels, but something to consider is the type of cabinet you're putting into the space to fill it. These reach all the way to the ceiling, like you saw earlier with the coffee bar. And this allows for a way to elevate the kitchen space, make it look bigger, more spacious, but also provide a lot of functionality and storage all the way up to that top shelf. To find some contrast, we were able to make these ones a different color and provides a little bit of a different vibe into the space. Even with an older home and limited space, this is a great example of what's possible when renovating a kitchen.